Are you looking for the best meat thermometers? In this video, we will look at some of the best meat thermometers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ThermoPro TP03A Digital Instant Red Meat Thermometer. This ThermoPro TP03A is an instant reading wireless meat thermometer that isn't as fancy or rugged as our previous choice, but is by no means any less effective in delivering the goods. Recording temperatures within 4 to 7 seconds of piercing, days of waiting around for meat to cook properly are long gone, while the 3.8-inch probe ensures you get right to the heart of the matter without any problems. This is accompanied by an ultra-clear LCD screen, which makes temperature reading easier than ever. Furthermore, what it might lack in functions compared to the TP20, it makes up for in temperature range, being able to read temperatures from -58, 572 degrees Fahrenheit. This is an all-purpose thermometer designed to have your back throughout all your kitchen exploits. On top of this, you'll also get a 1-year warranty to give you peace of mind. However, the plastic handle does feel slightly cheap, and there's no backlight. But as long as you're not grilling in the dead of night, this shouldn't be an issue. Number 2. ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Remote Digital Meat Thermometer. Our top pick for the very best meat, food, and steak thermometer is the ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Remote Digital Cooking Thermometer. Immediately, we're drawn to its capabilities as a food probe thermometer, which sounds way grosser than it actually is, and it can accurately measure the interior temperature of the meat in a matter of seconds, and you don't even have to be standing right next to it. For busy chefs, this is an invaluable feature that is difficult to pass up. That's not all, though. It comes with a vast temperature range between 32, 572 degrees Fahrenheit, 0, 300 degrees Celsius. This makes it more purpose towards hot food, but is also useful for cooler meals and beverages. You just won't be using it to check your beer on a hot summer's day. You will, though, be using it over the barbecue grill and perfectly completes the Kiss the Cook look. Programmed for 9 types of meat, it's the perfect companion for the summer grill-out you've always sought. Number 3. Alpha Grillers Instant Read Meat Thermometer. With a name Alpha Grillers, you'd expect this to be, well, the alpha product when looking for a wireless grill thermometer. While it only just misses out on those heights, it's still a fantastic little device that's capable of serving you mountain men well on your excursions into the wilderness. In fact, it's clearly designed for those who crave adventure and is equipped with enough protection against the elements to help it survive, and in turn you will too. These features include its fast temperature reading, which works in under 6 seconds, which is the perfect amount of time needed to feel satisfied with your cooking before being mauled by a bear, as well as a waterproof design that's sure to come in handy when the heaven open. Number 4. ThermoPro TP01A Digital Instant Red Meat Thermometer. Aren't ThermoPro popular here? Well, this is with good reason, and not just because have many different types of smoker thermometer for all kinds of occasions. Mainly, it's because their products are so darn good. Here, the TP01A, which is much more slimline and discreet compared to its predecessors, but still offers enough quality to turn your head. Perhaps more than any other product, it provides a super long probe, so you don't need to worry about getting burned or feeling smoke in your eyes when checking the temperature. Furthermore, there's a valuable temperature lock which keeps your reading consistent and saves you forgetting just what you're aiming for. The backlight is also useful for reading in low light, which is ideal when looking for the best oven thermometer. For such a small device, you'll be surprised just how much it can do. Number 5. ThermoPro TP16 Large LCD Digital Cooking Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP16 is the perfect digital food thermometer for those who are looking for readings and functions that cover a wide variety of cooking methods. Even at a single glance, you can discover this product isn't like the others we've picked out. Because variety is the spice of life, after all, and there's a very small limit to what you can accomplish with this guy by your side. Containing a timer mode, you will never burn or neglect cooking food again, and can work with temperatures ranging from 572 degrees Fahrenheit with a durable probe that ensures accuracy, and which covers chicken, beef, pork, fish, and whatever else you like to throw on the grill. It's easy to use, easy to read, and comes with a free recipe ebook. So it's easy to learn to cook too,